So I got here early to do the weed whacking, but there's a huge storm overhead. And it might get pretty bad pretty soon, but it looks like we're gonna have all this like light rain for a while. So probably what I'll do is I'll put my camera in here and I can record through the windows. So evidently John took the weed whacker home, even though I told him that I was gonna come early just for this. But oh well, I can just use a shovel because I don't need to worry about the thinner stuff. I just want to get a lot of this thicker stuff, and a shovel would actually work a lot better. It's 100% humidity out here, but it's also nice and cool, so that kind of works out. Kind of. See if I can run over this bush. So the rain's died down a little bit, and John brought the weed whackers, so that's helpful, very helpful. But while it was raining and while the camera was off, I went around and killed a bunch of the ivy growing up on the building, so that's a lot of work done. But now I can go around and clean up with this. Good enough. Good enough. Oh. You know, that's probably a good place to end it. We're out of fuel, weather's getting hot, and it's still humid. I'm just gonna go home. So, I think I'm gonna try to move like off the shelf, or what's the term? You know, because I have a project on the shelf. I'll move my electric lawn tractor project back into the front of my mind, and I'll keep a lookout for switches and whatnot, because I can take the green lawn tractor and I can use it to smooth out this yard up there where the boom lift kind of made ruts and whatnot. So yeah, I think I'm gonna work on getting my electric lawn tractor upgraded and actually working, and then I can bring it out here and use it to help move stuff around. Also probably bring my riding lawnmower, because using a push mower, even though it has a motor on it, like a self-propelled, it's still just not as nice in this temperature. So now all the bottom row of windows, or at least on this side of the building, I like the main building, not the additions. Almost all the windows on the main building are new now, so that's cool. Getting those pretty well done. I think that the dumpster might have a bunch of stuff in it, so let's go take a look at that. There might be a few things I can use. I figure it'd be a shame to throw these away since they're still nice pulleys. Capable of holding quite a bit of weight, actually. Dug around a little bit more and I ended up finding 12, so I might be able to do something kind of interesting with these. Okay guys, I dug through a couple more window frames and got about 20 more of those pulleys and some weights. That's enough for today. Next time I'll try to tackle this, and maybe we'll have the deck going good enough to where we can actually start building it. Either way, that's it for this week. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you very much for watching. See ya!